students, today we will do the experiment of acid and base, and we will distinguish between acid and base with the help of indicators. I have arranged some of the substances which were available to me at my house and tried to differentiate between acid and base. This is the lemon juice. You can see this is lemon juice and I have squeezed the juice from it. This is lemon juice. It is acid. Okay. This is the detergent solution. I have taken some amount of detergent and added water to it. It is detergent solution. It is base. Right. Now this is turmeric solution. जिसे हिंदी में we call it as haldi. It is available in everybody's house in the kitchen, and I have added some amount of water to it, and this is turmeric solution which acts as an natural indicator. This is China rose indicator. You can see this is China rose indicator, and as I taught you in this chapter itself, how do we prepare the China rose indicator? I have taken the China rose petals and then I have kept it in warm water for some time, and then it is the prepared China rose indicator solution. Now I'll distinguish between the two with the help of these two indicators. Only these two indicators were available to me, so I made use of only these two indicators for you. First of all, I am taking some amount of acid, that is lime juice. See, I am taking some amount of lime juice in a bowl. See, I have taken this acid in a bowl. Now I will add the turmeric indicator in it. See, is there any change? No, not at all, because turmeric was yellow in color, it is still yellow in color, and there is no change. So it's very clear, when acid is treated with the turmeric solution, it shows no change in color, that is just yellow remains. Okay, now the same thing we will do with the base, that is detergent. I am taking some amount of detergent solution. See, I have taken the detergent solution and I'll add some amount of turmeric solution to it. See, what's the color? It's red in color. I taught you that turmeric indicator with base gives red color. You can easily now distinguish between the two. See, this one is acid plus turmeric indicator, and this one is base plus turmeric indicator. So this turmeric indicator has distinguished between acid and base. It's very clear. Now the same thing I'll do with China rose indicator. Again I am taking some amount of lime juice, that is acid, in a bowl. Right? This is base, this is acid, and I'll add few drops of China rose indicator to it. See, it's pink in color. I have shown you the diagram also in the content, and you have read it, that when acid is treated with China rose indicator, it gives pink color. It's very clear. You can see the pink color in it. See. Right? Now again the same thing I'll do with base also. I'll take some amount of base. See, this is base, right? That is detergent, and I'll add some amount of China rose indicator to it. See, what's the color? It's green in color. You can see very clearly, when base is treated with China rose indicator, it gives green color, and this is acid. You can see the difference between the two. This one is acid plus China rose indicator, and this one is base plus China rose indicator. So through this experiment we have learned that indicators help to distinguish between acid and base. You can see the difference here. This is acid, this is base plus turmeric, this is again acid plus China rose indicator, and this is base plus China rose indicator. So I'm sure now your doubts may be clear, and your doubts may be clear, and also the concept is very clear to you that with the help of these indicators you can distinguish between acid and base.